دہلی کی فضا ایک بار پھر زہریلی ہو گئی ہے۔ شہر میں آلودگی انتہائی خطرناک سطح پر پہنچ چکی ہے۔ کئی علاقوں میں ایئر کوالٹی 500 سے بھی تجاوز کر گیا ہے۔ چہارشنبے کی صبح دہلی شدید دھند اور اسموگ کی لپیٹ میں رہی۔ ایمس دہلی کے پلمونری میڈیسن کے سربراہ ڈاکٹر اننت موہن نے صورتحال کو پبلک ہیلتھ ایمرجنسی قرار دیا ہے۔ ان کے مطابق آلودگی نہ صرف سانس بلکہ جسم کے دیگر اعضاء کو بھی متاثر کر رہی ہے۔ اسپتالوں میں او پی ڈی اور ایمرجنسی مریضوں کی تعداد بڑھ گئی ہے۔ کئی مریضوں کو وینٹیلیٹر پر رکھنا پڑ رہا ہے۔ شہر کے متعدد مقامات جیسے جہانگیر پوری، چاندنی چوک، اشوک وہار اور آر کے پورم میں ایئر کوالٹی 400 سے اوپر ریکارڈ ہوا ہے۔ محکمہ موسمیات نے آئندہ 48 گھنٹوں تک دھند اور اسموگ برقرار رہنے کی پیش گوئی کی ہے۔
Good afternoon, everybody. And as you all know that now again, as it happens almost every year for the past several years, Delhi again is in the grip of a very poor environmental quality, and the air pollution is again going much beyond safety limits into severe zones more often than not. So basically it is important for everybody to know. Of course, now everybody does know what are the health effects or the health bad effects of poor air quality. Everybody knows now, but it's a process and one needs to be aware about it again and again. It needs to be reinforced for people, especially for the kids and for everybody. They should know the harm that this brings, because only when we start working at the grassroots level also this problem can be taken care of. As far as the problems health effects are concerned, again now it can affect every part of the body. It goes without doubt that environmental pollution will affect every organ of the body. It can affect any age, right? In fact, even before birth it can start harming the child even before birth, right up to the end of life. And again, there is, I think, substantial evidence, not direct, but there is evidence that it definitely reduces the lifespan, poor air quality, because of various diseases. So you all know that. Obviously, these are situations where you will not immediately connect that this disease is because of air pollution. You cannot connect. These happen over a period of time. So, but it is definitely now known that this will happen. So, respiratory diseases are the mainstay. We are in direct contact with the atmosphere. We are breathing day in and day out. Our lungs are getting affected definitely, significantly. Number of patients are actually increasing. So, people who were previously healthy are now becoming diseased. People who are already diseased are becoming more diseased. Death rates probably are increasing because of this. So, and then there are other factors. Cardiovascular factors, neurological factors, mental factors.